I'm Susan Young. Welcome to SusanSpeaks.com. As a professional speaker, change expert, and leadership development trainer, I've had the opportunity to work with thousands and thousands of individuals to find out what makes them tick, what's not working, and what is working. And so as I've developed in my speaking business and grown myself personally, I've really been able to identify what people need. We all want to be happy and successful and connected and respected. And there's so many ways that we can make this happen to create the life that we desire. And we can make it so much easier on ourselves when we have the tools. And that's what Susan Speaks is all about. Because right here, I provide you with tools in a multitude of ways. First of which is my high impact speaking programs. If you're looking for a speaker or a trainer to come in and rock the event and make your entire conference or meeting or convention a success, you'll have a number of different programs to choose from. I've also got a products page where I'm developing books and tools that can empower you with the skills to move from transition to transformation. You'll also see my blog where I'll post on a regular basis so that you can get how-tos and numbered lists and bullet points and great ideas for how you too can thrive in times of change. Please subscribe to the blog so that you can get my newsletters on a regular basis, but also click over on the YouTube channel. So if you want to see me in person so that you can see video and so that you can really up your game and get all this wonderful information, that you'll enjoy that on a regular basis. So thank you so much for stopping by to see us at SusanSpeaks.com, and we hope that we can be of service and wishing you all the ability and the joy to thrive in times of change.